Hi, and welcome to this 1, 2, 3 Profit Review, the review of one of the best affiliate online training program on the internet. But before we get into what is 1, 2, 3 Profit exactly, uh, we have to talk about the creators of the 1, 2, 3 Profit and why you should listen to them and why these two guys are one of the biggest experts to go to when it comes down to internet marketing. Any sort of selling stuff online, selling the affiliate products, selling the e-commerce products, selling the info products, selling even selling the services to the businesses, right? Such as marketing services like search engine optimization or paid advertising or social media marketing. So Aidan Booth and Steve Clayton are really experts and self-made millionaires in internet marketing, dating all the way back to 2006, I believe, when they partnered. And Steve Clayton, before he partnered with Aidan Booth, he has been a corporate employee for the big company, and he was just sick of his job because he didn't have really much free time, and he was basically building the dream for someone else. So he decided to quit his job and start his own online business. And in that day, he was looking into e-commerce on Amazon. So these two are experts in e-commerce as well. But 1, 2, 3 Profit is about affiliate marketing, which if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically the way of earning money online by selling somebody else's product for in exchange for the commission. So it's very lucrative way of making money online because and many people go to way also because it's basically the least resistant way, and you are just a middleman, and all you need to do is to get the person to buy the product and then wait for the commission to be released to you, and then you don't have to do anything else, right? You don't need to basically deal with support. You don't need to be talking to the client or a customer all the time. You don't need to deal with anything like that. You basically just find the right people for the right product. Okay, so with that being said, let's dive into what is 1, 2, 3 Profit. So the product, it's basically jaw-dropping effective business model that has really nothing to do with e-commerce, crypto, or internet marketing niche, as we mentioned. It's the affiliate marketing. It's very unique spin and generating large commissions online. And by doing nothing really much, by doing very few things that Aidan and Steve will show you. And this method is very effective, and it's currently generating them apparently $10,000 per day or more. All right, here are their best results that they came up with, that they basically got in the last few months. And the best hour is almost $1,000. The best day is $10,500, and the best week is $57,000, and the best month is whooping 183 $103,000. It's basically crazy results, right? But I want you to understand that doesn't mean that you're gonna get the same results by applying the strategies and methodologies that Aidan and Steve teach, but you can get a pretty similar results or even better, and you can get an even lower result. How much would you give for earning $100 per hour, right? I'm 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 pretty confident that most of the people would think that it's like impossible or it would be their wildest dream to be earning $100 per hour, right? Well, that's all possible. So this method is a twist on CPA marketing. It's simple, easy to run, and people don't need to really deal with customer support, as I mentioned, the supplier, the product inventory, the and it basically nothing like that because affiliate marketing is just about the middleman, you to get the right person to buy the right product and then just get the commission. So all the usual headaches are off the table, right? In fact, you don't even need to sell anything at all, as Steve and Aidan said. And all you need to do is a simple little web page with a few words and very, very targeted traffic, right? And that's it. I have to emphasize on this one thing, targeted traffic. If you don't get the right targeted traffic, you're not gonna earn anything online. I've learned the lessons very badly that I thought that just get traffic and you get the sales, right? If somebody tells you that this converts by 2%, 5%, whatever, 10%, you think to yourself that you just get the people and you're gonna convert those 10%. Wrong. Many, many, many times, actually more often than not. Uh, I don't convert the I didn't convert in the past things at all. Like I would get 1,000 visitors and wouldn't get one single sale. And the reason why is because I didn't really target the traffic right. I wasn't going after the right, basically hungry buyers. I was just getting traffic and that was it. Like I didn't basically distinguish between different traffic, online traffic. So you really need to find the right people for the right product. That's very important to get the conversions, right? Without conversions, traffic is useless. A lot of online marketers will tell you it's all about traffic, right? Or it's all about email list. I'm telling you, it's not. You can have a large email list. You're gonna shoot the email and nothing's gonna happen. People won't open your email. It's gonna go to their spam box, and people just won't be interested if you don't get the right offer in front of the right people. All right. So if you're interested more about 123 Profits, go to this webpage, 123profitsreview.org, and sign up for the free workshops that are going to be coming out, I believe, around 10th of January and throughout January 20th. And you will be able to basically attend the free workshops with Aiden and download the free resources that they offer uh, with every launch that they do. So you have nothing to lose really, and then you can decide for yourself whether you want to get 123 Profits course or not. I would really recommend you do because affiliate marketing is one of the most rewarding ways really if you do it right to make money online for all those reasons that I previously mentioned. So thanks very much for watching and listening, and talk soon. Bye.